And Karla, we are doing our best to stay cool right here. It is just brutally, unforgivingly hot out there today.
Yes, I like the adjectives. We can keep them coming. Yeah, tomorrow.
Horrible.
Tomorrow's not going to be much different, unfortunately, but there is a little bit of hope on the horizon. Little bit. So we'll talk about that. First, here's your evening planner, and if you're planning anything tonight, I would plan for it indoors unless it's going to be in the really late night hours. Take a look. Even by the 7 o'clock hour, we'll still be at about 105 degrees. Satellite radar composite, not tracking a thing, of course. However, as we look out to our west, I was showing you this little system, a little bit weak, but it will be strong enough to drag in a little bit of cooler air, and that will bring us down by a couple of degrees within the next couple of days. Also, it'll bring us breezy conditions. That won't make very much difference as to how it feels outside. But nevertheless, tomorrow will still be very hot. That excessive heat warning will still be active until 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and we'll officially be on the upper end of the breezy category. Then as we head into Monday, the system is going to kick in a few extra clouds as well. We're definitely not looking at any chances for rain, but the breezes will continue on Monday and even as into Tuesday as that system makes a final exit, but we're still looking at very, very hot temperatures. However, there's another system later in the week. That one is going to be stronger, so I'll show you those numbers coming up in just a few seconds. On your temp trend for tomorrow, 109. That's what we're forecasting. And if we take a look, remember yesterday we tied that record at 107. For tomorrow, the record is 108. So I think, again, we may exceed it. We may match it, similar to what we've seen. But then we sort of see these numbers come apart. 110, 109 will be the records for those days on Monday and Tuesday. And we're not going to get quite up there on those days, which is good news. We'll take even the slightest bit of a cool down. Your windcast for tomorrow, not a big deal. These will be breezes, 10 probably to 15 miles an hour, could get a little bit more. Peak wind gusts to about 30, and there's your time between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So it is going to be a breeze for tomorrow. 107, that is where we are. That's the hottest temperature I've seen for McCarran, but again, we're waiting for those final numbers to come in for the day. Winds out of the east at 6 miles per hour, so not very strong at all. The overnights are going to continue to be very, very warm, 82 in Las Vegas. Some spots making it down into the 70s. You see there Henderson, Anthem, and Summerlin, but for the most part, right around 80 degrees. And for tomorrow, another day of blistering heat. 108 Sunrise Manor, North Las Vegas. In fact, 108 is what we'll see the most right in central Las Vegas. 109 in Anthem at 107. So here is that 7-day planner, breezy pretty much throughout the next 7 days. We come down just a tad. We come back up on Wednesday because we're going to be in between systems, but then take a look at those numbers. Here comes the next system, 103 on Thursday, and then there's some hope for you. Upper 90s, Friday and Saturday, still breezy. Back